Here you go.
So I let the seeds dry for about 2 weeks. You can see they are quite dry. And what you do next is you boil a little bit of water and then you let it cool down and leave it just a little bit warm, not too much. And you put the seeds in this water and you leave it for about 2 days. On the second day, change the water again. Boil again a little bit of water, let it cool down, and then change the water. And they have been 2 days in the water. So now I peel them. I take off this fleshy part, and right now you have this hard seed inside. And it's this you're gonna use to germinate. Next step, I use 2 paper napkins and I put one on top of the other. Put the seeds on, close it, spray it with some water, then fold it, some more water, turn it around, okay, easy. Then use a plastic bag, put it inside. Use a bag that doesn't let the sunlight go inside, because the seeds grow better in the dark. And now I'm gonna keep it in a warm place. Normally I put it near the window for it to get warm with the sun. But you can put it in another place in your house that is warm, for example, on top of the fridge or a machine that gets warm. So just put it in a warm place and wait. They've been in here for 4 weeks. As you can see, it already sprouted. And it has a big and strong root. Let's see the other one. It also sprouted and also with a big and strong root. Now the next step is to put the seeds on potting soil. I use plastic cups. On one I put the soil and make holes in the bottom. The other cup I put something inside, in this case clay balls, for it to make some space for the excess water to fall down. Then make a hole in the soil with your finger and then put the seed with the root facing down. Cover it just a little bit, don't put the seed too deep. Press it gently, spray it with some water,